Welcome to Zhuji Fengbao Auto Parts Co. Ltd., a professional brake clearance adjuster manufacturer with nearly 30 years of experience. Every finished product undergoes rigorous inspection, packaging, and shipping preparation. Our team meticulously packs and arranges each product to ensure safe and orderly transportation. Next, all goods are securely packaged to prevent damage during transportation. We employ standardized packaging methods to ensure that every batch meets quality standards. For additional protection, goods are wrapped in transparent waterproof film to prevent damage from rain and moisture during transportation. With strict quality control and experienced workers, we make sure every shipment meets international standards. Finally, all goods are carefully loaded onto trucks and shipped to customers worldwide through reliable logistics partners. Zhuji Fengbao Auto Parts. Quality you can trust.